What's going on, guys? Malpaca back with another video, and today's video is going to be talking about how to be successful dropshipping in 2020. And I'm going to be talking about everything you need to do, and what to avoid to become successful dropshipping, because there's a lot of negativity with dropshipping. People just automatically assume there's like something negative about it just because all of these, Shopify gurus, all these gurus that they show you all these sales, but they don't actually show you how they got there. So I'm just going to be talking about what you actually need to do to, start dropshipping. And this is mainly regarding eBay and Amazon. There are other few, but mainly eBay and Amazon. They're the two that we focus on because those are the biggest marketplaces right now to sell on for dropshipping. So obviously Shopify, yes, that is a marketplace to sell on, but it's more you have your own store and you have to drive your own traffic. So it's really not a marketplace. I mean, it's a marketplace of a bunch of stores to get that people own, but they're not connected in any way. So basically the first thing you really want to do is you want to have your business finances and your personal finances separate. You don't want to, a lot of people, they don't take dropshipping seriously, so they just kind of, they'll put their business bank account and kind of make that their personal bank account, and, they'll start seeing money coming into this bank account, and then they'll start spending that money on, recreational stuff. That's not what you want to do. You want to have your business bank account, and you want to use that only for expenses relating to the business, because when tax season comes, you do not want to be reporting your taxes based off recreational stuff. You already have to do that, and you should keep that separate from your business. So you should take it seriously and keep your business expenses and your business bank account separate from your personal bank account. And that's one thing I've done in the past month and a half to 2 months, and I found it very more organized by doing that. And the second thing you want to do is, like I said before, you want to take it seriously. It's not just, it could be a side hustle, but even if it's a side hustle, that doesn't mean you don't have to take it seriously. You should still take it seriously because it's a business, and just like any other business, you're not gonna be successful in business if you don't take it seriously. So just because it's an online business, that doesn't mean it doesn't require the work and the research and the self-education to become successful with it. So just keep that in mind when you're starting it. Take it seriously, and if you take it seriously, you'll see better results in the end, and you'll learn more. And so like the third thing I'm gonna say is suppliers. So you want to be different. The whole point of dropshipping isn't just to sell some cheap product and basically get this crazy profit margin. You want to keep your profit margins relatively, fair. So like I'd say 10 to 25% is a good range. If you're going past that, you have a really good supplier, which is very unlikely. Even though they are out there, you're probably not going to find 10 to 25 profit margins unless you're selling, like a $150 item. All right. And the profit margins are important because if you're selling good products, then you can have a higher profit margin, because people do not do product research on their own. So if you find a really good product, post it, on eBay or whatever, and people start buying it, then you're not going to have to worry about the marketing aspect. People find it, they're going to buy it. You have to make sure it's in stock, and you sell it. That's all it is, but you're not marketing. That's the whole point of dropshipping. I don't think you should really be dropshipping. I don't think you should start dropshipping if you have to market yourself right off the bat. If you don't know enough about actually dropshipping, you shouldn't be learning marketing before you actually dropship. You should dropship first, which is why eBay and Amazon are great, because you could start on them. You could start dropshipping, get a handle for what it actually is, and the customer service aspect and all that. And then once you're done with that part, then you can move on to, make your own website, Shopify. But it's very important, customer service, having a quality product. Those are the two givens when it comes to drop shipping. So just remember that you're not just there to make some crazy profit. You're there to literally buy a product from a supplier and sell it for a higher price. Like, it's as simple as that, and it has to be a fair price. It can't be some outrageous price because you have to compete. And that's the I don't know, I think that was the fourth point, but fourth or fifth point. Anyway, I think the fourth or fifth point is you have to be willing to sometimes accept a little bit less and receive more in the end, because in the beginning you're not going to be making like this crazy amount of money. You're going to be breaking even. When I started, I started a few months ago, and I basically broke even, and that's fine, because at the end of the day, if you're breaking even, you're winning. You didn't end up, you might have more expenses, but I'm talking about breaking even in sales. You want to break even in the beginning. You want to get some sales rolling in, and then once you get sales rolling in, then you can get a feel for your prices and all of that and your expenses. But in the beginning, your goal is to break even, and if you end up losing money, that's okay too. But the goal is to not go too crazy in the beginning. That's the learning curve. That's where you're gonna learn the most, in the beginning. So I hope this helped you guys. These are just kind of the givens if you're starting a dropshipping business, because not many people look at dropshipping seriously anymore, because it's all these gurus, and Shopify is taking over, AliExpress onto Shopify.